Agriculture biotechnology is the one of the branch of the biotechnology. Nowadays, population has been increasing day by day. There is huge need for the food production. Now we have the three experts of the biotechnology, tissue culture and greenhouse. We are talking with them about the new technology. Biotechnology is an ancient science actually. Just like when we convert milk into curd, it's a big biotechnology. But since traditions, it has been simplified very well. Means a simple housewife can convert such a big biotechnological reaction in our home. So that's why biotech is important part of their ecosystem. Sir, tissue culture is the one of the component of biotechnology. What do you tell about that? Actually, tissue culture it's just multiplying a good plant into thousands and lakhs. And just select a good plant which is disease-free, which is healthy, which is able to produce good fruits. Just we are replicating these plants into thousands and lakhs in laboratory, just taking the tissue. If you go for traditional technology, we have to replicate with graftings and all that. But tissue culture will give you any furnace. Suppose a fruit weighs 100 grams, all fruits will be 100 grams. A plant is taller 10 feet, all plants will be 10 feet. It's easier to predict the yield, it's easier to get the healthy yield. That's why tissue culture is definitely a good technology. Needs to be simplified, needs to be implemented up to grassroots level in rural India. Sir, what is the importance of greenhouse technology for the farmers?
For the biotechnology or greenhouses, basically this technology, when they make the plants, they can harden those plants in our greenhouses. We construct greenhouses to harden tissue culture plants. Simultaneously, we construct greenhouses where one can find the parents required for the BT cotton. So many, in the agriculture you can use greenhouses for so many purposes. To harden tissue culture plant, grow vegetable plants like even you can grow vegetables like iceberg, you can grow like cucumber, or maybe greenhouses used to even storage purpose also. Now many people using a greenhouse for banana ripening. Many people use greenhouse for even for mangoes. Ripening of the mango. So there are so many uses of the greenhouse.
What are the many our environmentalists and some people are worried about the uses of biotechnology? What is your comment? The demerits of the agriculture biotechnology, especially GM foods, transgenics and genetic engineering. Some people are agitating about that. Actually, genetically, GM technology is very old. It's from ancient ages. In case of traditional technology, when we design new varieties or new crop varieties, we transfer a set of gene from one crop to another crop and develop new commercial variety. But in this technology, you can particularly specify that gene and you can particularly remove that gene and put into other crop. Since if it is plant to plant transformation, I think that's it. Only thing is when it is coming into a consumption, one has to pass all the tests, one has to study those things. Can you tell us about some examples of this technology in which crop that we use, especially pest management and for higher yield and quality? Actually, genetically modified crops are aimed for different things. First is just like BT cotton. Bacillus thuringiensis, it's a bacterium which produces a crystal toxinous protein which is harmful for which is toxic for the plant, pest, caterpillars, just like Yadav and Spodoptera. This is nature's way of controlling the pest. What scientists did, they just remove the gene responsible for producing cryoprotein, crystal protein. That gene is transformed in cotton plant. When pest comes or insect comes, when it bites cotton plant, automatically it dies due to the cryoprotein. This is one example. BT cotton is very much successful in India as well as abroad. Only thing is we need to follow some rules and regulations because scientists asked to use refugia to avoid the resistance and all that, but people don't use refugia. They just plant just like that. This is a technology. This is a responsible thing. This is a weapon. This weapon you have to use very carefully. Otherwise, it may harm you. We have seen that the biotechnology experts are saying that for India there is a need for this technology to increase the yield and to feed our increasing population. Now there is urgent need for scientists. Scientists should remove the drawbacks and give the good varieties that will not harmful to our environment and health. With video journalist Pratik Jaiswal, this is Yashwant Yadav, Bharat for India, Moshi, Pune.